Welcome to Dovetastic Microwave Theater. Today, your professional microwave operator is going to be microwaving a microwave within a microwave that is microwaving. The microwave is called an iWave Cube. This is considered the world's smallest microwave. However, it is still a substantial size appliance, and it is a full-size working microwave. It consists of 600 watts of power and has approximately 0.6 cubic feet of interior space, as you can see. The microwave that we're going to microwave is actually going to microwave a light bulb in it while the larger microwave is microwaving that microwave while it is being microwaved. This is a long time requested item, and so far to date no one has microwaved a microwave yet, a full-size microwave that is. So we're going to go ahead and test our microwave here, make sure that it's got optimal microwaving abilities and microwaving powers and all kinds of microwaving microwaves inside it. That way we know that this microwave is ideal for being microwaved. And as you can see, the microwaves are just absolutely gorgeous and beautiful in every way. You can see the bulb is just glowing a nice, beautiful glow, just the way microwaves should be. And we're going to go ahead and conclude the test of the microwave here, and we're going to go ahead and let this shut down right now and proceed out to the Amir 9001 ton microwaving robot. Your professional microwave operator is super excited and thrilled about this opportunity. It is a first in microwaving history that a full-size microwave will actually be microwaved while it is being microwaved. Every single day, our show has received up to an incredible amount of about 30 to 40 requests to see a microwave be microwaved. And this is just a gorgeous and beautiful brand new microwave appliance. And it's just a snug fit right into the 10 more beast of our gigantic 1-ton microwaving robot. So your professional microwave operator push this microwave right into the microwave. And we're going to go ahead and place the light bulb right into the microwave and shut the door shut. And we're going to go ahead and put this on 60 minutes on 100% power. Now the iWave Cube is presently microwaving the light bulb. We're going to shut the door closed on the larger microwave, and we're going to proceed to hit the start button, and now the microwave is going to be being microwaved for your viewing pleasure. This long anticipated event is now going to begin. The Amir 9000 one-ton microwaving robot has just alerted your professional microwave operator that the microwave has been fully microwaved, and quite a few anomalies occurred in the process. And in fact, while the microwave was being microwaved, there was a very strange vibrating sound coming out of the one-ton robot, making other objects in the area vibrate in the process. In fact, it knocked out some power to some areas. But right now things look good. It has a temperature of 338 degrees Fahrenheit, and the bulb has exploded within the smaller microwave. So we're going to go ahead and remove the small microwave from the larger microwave. This is going to be quite a process here. We're going to use our big asbestos glove, the power glove, and we're going to try to see how well the handle works. The handle does look solid and secure, so we're going to try to pull this loose, and ooh, that's not good. It should have still been on there good, but I guess not. I guess it's just because this microwave has been microwaved thoroughly all the way to the core. The results look absolutely beautiful. Your professional microwave operator is just thrilled and pleased with the results. A microwave looks so much better than a brand new microwave. Who needs a regular microwave when you can have a microwave? This is the way it should be. Microwaves should be microwaved, not used for food, but microwaved. And your professional microwave operator approves the results and thanks you for enjoying and watching Dovetastic Microwave Theater.
Microwaving a microwave has never been better. Microwaving a microwave has never been better. It's the best way to spend your day is microwaving a microwave. Then you get a very big surprise. What's known as the iWaveotron slug. The iWaveotron slug. The iWaveotron slug. The iWaveotron slug, the iWaveotron slug. A microwave's best friend is the iWaveotron slug. The iWaveotron slug holds a very special surprise in it. The iWaveotron slug, the iWaveotron slug is a microwave's best friend. The iWaveotron slug. You can spend the day with it. You can swing with it. You can love it. It's your very nicest microwave. The iWaveotron slug. The iWaveotron slug. You must have the iWaveotron slug. You will have the iWaveotron slug. You will have no other choice but to own that iWaveotron slug. iWaveotron slug.